Driving at night is riskier than daytime driving. We need headlights to see clearly. Headlights also help other cars see us. A broken headlight is dangerous. It's important to know how to change it. This guide will teach you to change the right headlight on your 2018 Chevy Equinox. It's easier than you think. With clear steps, you'll be driving safely in no time. Let's get started. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools. You will need a new headlight bulb that fits your 2018 Chevy Equinox. Check your owner's manual for the correct bulb type. You will also need a pair of gloves to protect your hands. The old bulb might be hot, and gloves will keep you safe. Now that you have your tools, let's move on to the replacement process. First, open the hood of your Chevy Equinox. Locate the back of the right headlight housing. You will see a connector plugged into the bulb. Gently twist and disconnect the connector. Next, release the metal clip holding the bulb in place. Carefully remove the old bulb from the housing. If the battery is in the way, you may need to remove it to access the headlight assembly. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb. Align the new bulb with the housing and insert it. Secure the metal clip to hold the bulb. Reconnect the electrical connector. Ensure it clicks into place. Close the hood of your Chevy Equinox. Test the new headlight to make sure it works. If it doesn't turn on, double-check the connections. Regularly check your headlights. Replace any dim or burned-out bulbs immediately. Driving with proper lighting is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. Drive safe.